this whole part. Okay, I just record for the fun of it. So, radian is another unit to measure angle. This is the conversion rate. Don't bother about the square. Sum of the angle in a triangle is 180 degree or pi radian. And now we are at C. What's the answer for D? Good question. So in now triangle, do we start calculating in degree or radian? Depends on the question. If you see RAD, you know it's in radian. You see the small circle behind, then it's in degree. Okay? So, last one, what is the answer? 1.31. Anyone wants to dispute on that? Xinhui, did you get the answer? Huh? Altogether add up is 360. So it's 2 pi. There's a space below? No. Oh, there's a space below. Now, can you put a 2 star there? Now, let's discuss. Now, you want to know angles. Now, angles got two units, right? So let me give you a way to recognize Jinfeng. Let me give you a way to recognize angle. Now, angles in degree usually is more than 1, more than 2. What am I talking about? Now, why is this important? Let me give you an example. If I tell you angle x equals to 1, can you guess is this in degree or radian? I think this is in radian. Now, why am I talking about this? Because many of you will start to ask, teacher, answer is 2. Can it be 2 degree? No, Do you know how big is 2 degree? Can you draw me a 2 degree now? Can you draw me a 1 degree now? This is 0 degree. 1 degree is as good as? That is 1 degree, right? 1 degree is very, very tiny. However, can you tell me what is 1 radian? Now you try? Wrong. What is 1 radian? Try, everyone. Tell me the angle in degree, everyone. 1 radian is equal to how many degree? 3. Correct. You don't understand what I'm saying? Okay, let me summarize what Jinfeng is saying. Let's say your final answer is 1. Usually the 1 is in radian. You cannot tell me 1 degree, then you have to put a hashtag there. If you put 1 degree, then it's as good as 1 straight line. No angle at all. Understand? So this is a number sense. If you're calculating, you cannot have 2 degree as your answer. But 2 radian is possible. Because 1 radian is how many degree again? 57.3. Now, 57.3. So no pi, bro. This one no pi. 57.3 is quite an angle you can see. 57.3 degree is an angle that you can see. Huh? Not pi radian. 1 radian. 1 radian. Therefore, 1 degree cannot be the answer. Now, let me summarize by showing you this. Question. Can all of you look at point part C now? Kunz, answer the question. Before we listen first. Pi over 3, there is no unit. Can it be degree? Why? Huh? No, there's no reason behind. But can you explain why pi over 3 cannot be degree? Because it's smaller. You try pi over 3 calculator, tell you what? 1.04. How can 1.04 degree? How to 1.04 degree? Tell me. Very small, right? It's as good as one line, right? So now you understand what I'm trying to tell you. You sure? Okay, good. Then let's go on to the next one. Let's look at this table now. Okay, there's a good news here. Let's finish it. Now, if 2 pi over here, let me write something. Write two sentences. If 180 degree is equal to pi radian, what is 360 degree? 2 pi radian. Now I want to do a replacement. Fun. 360 degree is here. If I were to convert to radian, 360 will be equal to how many radian? 2 pi. Which means in this box, can you write down? Degree over theta over 2 pi times 2 pi r. Need to write radian later. And what do you notice about this 2 pi on top and 2 pi below? Can cancel. And therefore this is r theta. Okay. Can you put a square bracket there? Theta is in radian. Do you see the one that can cancel? Do you see the thing that can cancel? Do you see the cancelling taking place? 2 pi and 2 pi cancel, right? So left what? R and theta. And what does it mean? R and theta, the theta must be in radian. Simple? So the formula becomes simpler. Now the next one. Sure. So let's try. This one will be 2 pi times pi r squared. If I cancel, what do I get? Half r squared theta. Let me tell you why I write in this format. Do you see that the pi and pi cancel is actually pi? No more pi. Is equals to theta r square over 2. Now I want you to see that this is the same as this. Now, why do I show you in such a weird format? Because this and this, the good news are, these two formulas are given in exam. But these two are not given in exam. Understand? Okay? So, can you highlight and write down, very important, so that you don't memorize the wrong formula. This entire thing is given in exam. Given. But the blue one, this one, is not given in exam. Now, does it mean that I now have to convert all angles in radian to use this formula? Please don't. You know the question, they give you degree, use degree. They give you radian, use radian. Start. Sure. Depends on question. Why? It's not easy. I show you how easy it is. Right. Can you tell me minor refer to big or small? The middle pocket. That's a. Okay. Jinfeng is talking. Now R Y Q. If I use this, if I want to find this arc length, Mingyuan, which angle do I use? The minor angle or the bigger angle? The minor, the small angle. Then it says here ROQ is 2.5 radian. What does it mean? This is 2.5 radian. Like that lah. What over? No over already. So what is the formula? R theta, right? Because it's in radian. So R is what? Good. Because you never read the question. What's the radius of a circle? 4. 4, right? So what's the length? 4 times 2.5. So easy, right? Yeah. There's no more theta over 360 anymore. Not alternative, please. This is used when the angle is in radian. Degree, then you got to use this. But then could ask a question, if it's in degree, can I purposely change to radian? Can, at your own risk. Because if convert wrongly, then the answer is wrong. I'd rather use theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? Huh? Huh? That's why is it confusing? Is it because when I aircon environment, it's better in the hot? No. Who said it? Radian is another unit for angle. Radian, how to draw that? This is angle. Angle, understand? Yes. How much? Wait. That's it. What part is confusing? Wow. Okay, I pause the video now. Okay, can I go through this first, like entire thing first? Okay, Jiaxuan, can you try with me? Up lah. Now, area of minor sector. Hey. I'm still here. Hey. Hey, Jiaxuan, area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. What one of you? Two more isn't. Okay, Jiaxuan, minor. Area of minor sector refer to this formula. Do you understand? Why is it this formula and not theta over 360 is because the theta here is in radian. So if it's in radian, I just use this formula. Actually, this two is the same. Hey, are you confused because why this two look different? Both are the same. This is the last time that we use, right? Theta over 360 times pi square, right? But now instead of theta over 360, I put theta over 2 pi. Because in radian, the angle 360 is 2 pi. Yes. Yeah, 260. Yeah, 360 is 2 pi. Yeah, then 2 pi minus the 2.5. Yeah. This one. This two even. This one not given. But do you know these two are the same thing? What happened here is I changed the 360 to 2 pi. Why do I change 360 to 2 pi? Because 360 degree is 2 pi. And why this become like that? The pi cancel away. Yes. The half I just write outside. So it's not difficult, right? What to? Okay, 新会。 Can you do the part 2 with me? Xinhui. All keep quiet. Xinhui, I want area of sector. Which formula do I use? That one, the half r square theta, right? So I write half. What is r square theta? What is r? 4 square. What is theta? 2.5. Just like that. Huh? No, no need, no need. Because it's a unit, you also don't write the degree as well, right? Now, so what is the answer? Is it 20? Okay. Now, what about part 3? The length, the length, the length of major arc. Length of major arc. So, length of major arc, if I were to highlight it green, length of major arc refers to the bigger one. Now, how do I find the bigger one? I have to find the bigger angle. Do you agree? Now, how do I find angle ROQ? 2 pi minus 2.5. I need to add a magic word here, and the magic word is reflex. So reflex refer to the big angle. If you don't write the word reflex, it refers to the small angle because ROQ naturally refers to 2.5. If I want the big angle ROQ, I need to add the word reflex. RPQ is not an angle, hello. ORPQ is a sector. Now, could say ROQ is an angle, but ROQ can refer to the small angle or the big angle. This word today I teach in 1-1. That means 2 years ago you all never pay attention. I show you the notes when you wrote hey. Do you know this is recorded? Okay, I show you. I never blame you. This is the step 1 notes I teach this morning. First one is called acute angle, triangle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. This is check 11201 notes. Okay, so 2 pi minus 2.5. So then the answer is pi SF, please. Pi SF 3.78318. Pi SF. Inside is just by default. ROQ is always referring to the small one. Alright, but if you want to call the big one out, then it's called reflex. Don't try the big, don't try the big angle, don't know what. So, let's continue. Length. Jinghui, how do I find the length? How do I find the length? Still arc theta, right? Now it's 4 times 3.7831. Like that lah. Easy. Okay, I don't care about the answer. Part 4. The area of the major sector. Half r square theta. Gerald, what are you asking? Cannot be asking so many things. Gerald, what's the answer? Buff. 4 square times, what is the theta? 3.7831. And then you should get the last one. you should get this. Okay? Right. Oh no, I didn't record.
Oh my, 这有哎，还没